What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Steam game connection code. So let's get started. So first you need to make sure that you have installed the Steam application, and after opening to the Steam application on the left side you need to hover to the library and then click on home. After that, on the left side you will see the option of add a game. Click on this and click on activate a product on Steam. After that, here in this bar, you need to type in your product codes that you have received while installing or getting your game. And when you copy product code, you can just simply paste it and then you can click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, this will add the game to your Steam library. So this is how you can add or activate Steam game product codes. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.